It's like you're looking through a telescope. You see where you're gonna be. Growing, getting better.
Good morning. This is Insurance Agent Adam Herndon, also known as your Insurance Tailor, and I would like to welcome you to my Tailor-Made Tip of the Week. Let me start by saying Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, and to the stand-up men who act as father-like figures as well. I hope you enjoyed a good pamper from your family yesterday. Some of you probably received a home-cooked meal, were taken out to brunch, or even received a gift like a tie that lights up, similar to what Theo bought his father in the Cosby Show back in the day. Fatherhood can be very rewarding. Trust me, I know. I rush home from work every night to be with my boys. But understand, with that title of father comes responsibility. The best way to show love to your family is to make sure that in case something happens to you and you can no longer work, or even worst case scenario, you pass away, they can still live in the same house, go to the doctor when they need to, and even attend college without taking a step backwards in life. But if you don't have a life insurance policy, this might not be a reality for your loved ones. And unfortunately, too often in life, this is the case. Just like your kids depend on you to be there for them when an emergency happens, like if they fall off their bike, it's your responsibility, men, to have a backup plan in place that you can depend on to take care of your family in your absence. I mean, come on, let's be real. What would happen if you never made it home from work today? No matter what city you live in, every night on the news there's a report of a freak accident that made it impossible for someone to make it home to their family. Just think about how hard that would be for your kids, as well as your spouse. I mean, it's bad enough that they'll be missing you, but you want them to suffer financially as well without your income? I have a lot of clients that tell me, well, Adam, I'm good. I got life insurance through my job. But what happens to that policy if you no longer work there? I'll tell you what happens. Just like the rest of your benefits, that policy goes away too. And then you'll be stuck trying to get life insurance all over again. But guess what? This time around, you'll be a lot older, and so the cost of insurance is going to be higher. And don't let high blood pressure and other health factors flare up, because at that point, it's going to be too expensive to purchase insurance. And that's if you can even get qualified. So I'm here today to challenge you to take time right now to make sure you and your family are protected. It's really that simple. If you're a real father, you want to be the man no matter what. You should never put your family in a position where they would have to depend on someone else just to barely get by. It's in your hands, men, whether you want to leave behind debt for your loved ones or be in position to provide a legacy for your family that they can be proud of. I'm Insurance Agent Adam Herndon, and that's my Tailor-Made Tip of the Week.
It's like you're looking through a telescope.